Hi friends, today we're going to draw Stitch. First, we'll fast forward to show you how we roughly drew it. Get your pen and paper ready. We'll start our step-by-step tutorial momentarily.
Are you ready?
Let's get started.
First, let's draw its nose, which sits at the center of the face. So starting with the nose helps in positioning the eyes and the entire face actually. Let's move on to its big eyes.
Did you know that Stitch, the lovable blue alien from Disney's Lilo and Stitch, was originally designed to be a villain? He was meant to wreak havoc across Earth, but his character evolved into the mischievous yet ultimately good-hearted friend we all adore.
Let's add pupils to its eyes. Remember to leave some blank space in the pupils to make the eyes look more lively. Next, let's add its mouth. Now let's outline its face. Draw the ears halfway up from its eyes. Did you notice? Stitch's body is like that of a koala bear, but its ears are like those of a rabbit. Well done! Let's add a few more details before we move on to its body. Now the head is done. Let's move on to its body. Let's add its cute little feet. Alright, we've done outlining our stitch. Time to color in. We have also other videos drawing unicorns, mermaids. Feel free to check them out. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any new videos.
Yay, we've done drawing Stitch. We hope you enjoyed drawing with us. See you next time. Bye.